Hello guys, now let us discuss question 14. The question is 1-methyl ethylene oxide when treated with an excess of HBr produces what? So the options that are given are A, B, C and D. So here the correct answer is option. So first we will take 1-methyl that are given in the question, 1-methyl ethylene oxide, that is CH3 CH CH2 and O with two lone pairs, and when we reacted with HBr, this would be negative, this would be positive, so it will give us CH3 CH CH2 O, this will be positive, and NH hydrogen. And then after that, when we reacted with Br, then it would be CH3 CH Br and then CH3, it would be 2 and then an OH, and this lone pair will goes to the HBr. Okay, so after that we get CH3 CH Br CH2 O positive and H2 because of the HBr. H goes from here to there, and then again when we add Br minus of the HBr, it would be CH3 CH Br CH2